We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this current move, I mean, when here we mentioned we're looking for the price to drop to take 32.5. As you can see, the price tag and reverse. And when the price was here, we mentioned if the price tag for the second times, easily price can break, and this is what we happen. That's why we mentioned if the breakout, we can look for reversal. We're looking for buy. Okay, as we can see, we're expecting to look for reversal, and this is what we get. The only way to trade based on lower time frame, because this is the only way we can look for trade. We didn't get a really proper trade setup as what we were expected, but as the price reverse, okay, as what we have been looking for. And as you can see from now, all the way we have is a short-term trade. Okay, if you're looking, anyone is trading this, as we have this is small correction, we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, because what we were looking for to get the sharp move with the flag, with the next move to give us a sharp again. Okay, may I just point on what we have here, at least similar to what we get here, at least, right? By the way, what we have here is just, as I mentioned, the only way we could trade was based on this, and this one was based on lower time frame. All right, what I want to point that anyone is in the trade is still there, because the way it's moving is not really sharp. They should know may this one give us one more drop because of the way it's correcting. That's why at least if they are in the trade, at least move their, if they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even. But we are looking for a reversal either from here, or even we get one more drop before we, I mean, then from there we can look for reverse. Maybe start with the higher time frame with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price drop. That's why even almost near to the previous top, now we have this flat. Any buy opportunity we get, we look for trade, and with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. This is what we're looking for. That's why I mentioned based on lower time frame, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, and if we move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. And right now, as we can see, the as what we were expected, even we have this shadowy point on it in my analysis, we get this reversal. But if we want to look for trade setup, we need to get a correction here. If we get any correction, we take the trade. And with the breakout of this one, which is 36, we start to manage. Okay, at least like if we get a sharp move, at least move our stop loss to break even. But if we get the trade, we see it's moving as a corrective, we should have the proper management. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we explain right now. But based on 1 hour chart, mostly if I want to trade, I prefer to get the bigger correction for continuation. What I have right now is just maybe trade based on 15 minutes as a short-term trade. Okay. And again, may this one, if there is a continuation as a corrective, may give us one more drop. The next drop may retest this low or not. But if we get any drop, the next reversal also we can look for trade. Okay, when we're talking about the reversal, we need to get the sharp move, correction of lag for continuation. Okay, what we have here was good, but the trade, we didn't get the proper flat to look for trade. Either anyway, the price move, but what we get is not really sharp. That's why we need to be quite careful. By the way, we're looking for buy. As we explained, the only thing is whether we get a continuation from here, or may this one tend to a one more drop, or tend to a more complex correction. Because if this one tend to a flat, because right now we can look at this way, but it's not the proper flat. But if we get one more drop, one move up, because what we have here, maybe this one give us one more drop as a flat for one move up. That's why if you want to buy here, based on lower time frame only, we can trade because of this possibility, unless this one tend to a bigger correction. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. For long term, we're looking for buy. Thanks.